In this video, I'll show you how to share your PS Plus subscription to other accounts on your PS5 Pro. Now, all you have to do is sign in to your PS5 Pro using the account that has an active PS Plus subscription. So ensure that you have signed in with the account with the PS Plus subscription. Now, once you've done that, access the console settings by selecting the settings wheel icon in the top right corner. And then within the settings, select users and accounts, and then scroll down and select other, and then choose console sharing and offline play, and then ensure that you have enabled this option. So there will be an option set to enable, so select enable, and that should enable the console sharing in this particular PS5 Pro. Now once you enable that, all the other accounts that are currently in this particular PS5 Pro will benefit from that PS Plus subscription that you currently have on your other account. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.